dinetain nyo na yung tao for due process. Sir, asaan ang explanation ng due process ninyo doon? Tinanong kita kanina, sino ang appointing authority? Yusek ng ASEC. Anong sagot mo? Secretary. Hindi mo alam. Kita, sumagot. Camera. You need to reconsider that extension of your detention. It was illegal in the first place. You asked the president why he accepted the resignation. Do not ask due process.
I think the proper remedy is for you to go to the court.
Do you really want to show the Filipino people kung anong kaalaman ninyo sa batas?
Ang sinasabi ko lang po ay sundin po natin yung batas.
Kaya nga,
dito
sir,
sa House.
sundin natin yung
Kasi
batas.
nandito po kayo dito sa bahay ng Kongreso.
Yes, sir. Sundin natin yung batas. Why will you penalize, punish, use